Hi everyone! Today, we are diving into Topview.AI, an innovative AI-powered video creation tool designed to revolutionize marketing videos. This platform eliminates the need for real models and expensive video shoots, generating 100% AI-driven marketing videos that look incredibly realistic. Whether it's product promotions, app showcases, or virtual try-ons, Topview makes it possible to create high-quality content effortlessly. Topview's AI capabilities include AI script writing, leveraging GPT-4o to craft compelling video scripts based on millions of real-world examples. AI-powered clip selection and editing allow for automatic content optimization, while AI voiceovers, powered by OpenAI and 11 Labs, deliver natural, engaging narrations. With diverse AI avatars designed specifically for marketing and auto-captioning features, Topview simplifies content creation like never before. The platform supports over 20 languages, making it ideal for global marketing campaigns. Creating product marketing videos has never been easier. With 5x production efficiency, 0 editing skills required, and a fraction of the cost of traditional video production, Topview enables businesses and creators to generate professional videos effortlessly. The platform supports videos, images, and even product links from Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, AliExpress, TikTok Shop, Apple App Store, and Google Play. If you need content in a language not yet supported, Topview's team is open to feedback and future language expansions. One of Topview.AI's most unique and game-changing features is product AnyShoot.
Try Topview.AI for free.
This tool allows users to fit any product into any scenario, perfect for virtual try-ons and product showcases, without the need for expensive photo shoots. With over 5,000 templates available, users can customize their visuals effortlessly, making it an excellent choice for e-commerce, fashion brands, digital marketers, and content creators. Using product AnyShoot is simple. First, upload your product image, whether it's clothing, accessories, furniture, or even pet products. Next, select a product template from thousands of AI-generated designs or upload your own custom target images. Finally, let AI generate high-quality product photos and videos, bringing your product to life in a professional setting. This tool even supports virtual try-ons for fashion, eyewear, shoes, and accessories, offering an immersive shopping experience for customers. Now, let's walk through the creation process step by step. Upon entering the product AnyShoot page, you'll find a product image section and a target image section. In the target image section, you can either select a public template model or upload your own model. The public templates page offers an extensive range of categories, including women's and men's apparel, shoes, jewelry, digital products, makeup, pet products, home appliances, books, toys, sports gear, food, beverages, and much more. For this demo, I selected a book template and uploaded a book cover. The AI automatically removes the background, enhancing the product placement seamlessly. If any part of the image needs adjustment, the brush tool comes in handy. This allows users to manually refine the selection, ensuring the AI replaces only the intended sections. The inpainting tool is another powerful feature, making the output look as natural as possible. Once done, I selected the target area, set the image generation count, and clicked Generate, which cost me just 2 coins per image. Within 30 seconds, the AI-generated images appeared. The results were fantastic. One of them had exceptionally clear text, making it the perfect choice. From here, we can proceed to image to video conversion. Clicking the image to video button opens additional customization options. You can enhance the AI-generated prompts, adjust the creativity and relevance intensity, choose between standard and professional modes, and set the duration between 5 to 10 seconds. There's even a negative prompt control feature to fine-tune the output. Generating a video costs 20 coins. And after a short wait, the final product was stunning. Next, I tested the beverages product template, using an AI-generated cool drink can image. Once again, product AnyShoot seamlessly replaced the default product with my uploaded image, delivering impressive results. To further push its capabilities, I generated a 5-second video using an AI prompt. The final output was nothing short of amazing. The movement, realism, and smooth integration of the product into the scene were truly impressive. I continued testing with footwear, fashion accessories, and apparel. For the shoes category, I uploaded a men's shoe image and selected a target image from the men's shoe template. The AI flawlessly removed the background, adjusted the shoe placement, and generated stunning, highly realistic product visuals. I then moved on to a women's modern western top, selecting an appropriate target image and using the brush tool to refine the placement. The AI precisely adjusted the size and fit, making the dress look completely natural on the model, something that most AI tools fail to achieve. Finally, I converted the women's outfit image into a video using the standard mode. The AI did an incredible job, generating a smooth 360-degree rotation of the model wearing the dress. Even the back of the dress was perfectly reconstructed, adjusting naturally to body movement. This level of detail and realism is truly mind-blowing. It's astonishing to see AI produce such high-quality, professional-grade visuals with minimal effort. I'll include sample images and videos so you can see the results yourself. Overall, Topview.AI's product AnyShoot is a game-changer for businesses, marketers, and content creators. Whether you need product videos, marketing visuals, or virtual try-ons, this AI-powered tool delivers fast, cost-effective, and professional results. Free credits are available for testing, and monthly and yearly plans provide even greater access to its features. If you're looking for a powerful AI tool that can handle product visuals effortlessly, Topview.AI is definitely worth trying. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered content. Thanks for watching.